Imagine a shopping sidekick that works smarter than you, finding the best deals, stacking coupons, and earning cash back, all while you sit back and relax. Sounds like a superpower, right? Well, meet your new shopping hero, Coupert, the AI-powered shopping assistant that makes saving money effortless. Today, I'm going to show you how Coupert can transform your online shopping experience, saving you hundreds each year, hassle-free. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Coupert? It's your AI-powered super shopping assistant that helps you save money with coupons, cashback, and price comparisons, all for free. Whether you're browsing on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, or Opera, Coupert works seamlessly across all browsers. It's trusted by over 8 million users worldwide, with more than 6 million on desktop and 3 million on mobile. Rated 4.8 stars on Trustpilot by over 10,000 shoppers. Getting started is simple. First, open your browser and head over to the store. Either search for the Coupert extension or simply click the link in the description to add it to your browser. It's completely free. Second, create your account. You can sign up in seconds using your Facebook, email, or phone number. It's quick, easy, and hassle-free. Third, pin the Coupert extension to your toolbar and sit back as it works silently in the background. Discover Coupert's 3 key features to save time and money. 1. Automatic coupons. Finds and applies the best discounts automatically. 2. Cashback. Earn rewards on your purchases. 3. Price comparison. Compare prices across stores for the best deal. Let's explore how each feature enhances your shopping experience.
Let's begin with automatic coupon testing. Coupert scans over 3 million retailer coupons to instantly find the best deals, so you don't have to spend time searching for promo codes. Simply shop on your favorite websites. When you're ready to check out, Coupert automatically searches for and applies the most valuable coupons, ensuring you get the best discounts effortlessly. This smart feature saves you time and can save you hundreds of dollars each year. Just select your desired product, proceed to checkout, and let Coupert handle the rest. Coupert will automatically find the best available coupons for you. Here, it recently located a code that provides a $4 discount and applied it seamlessly to my purchase. Second, enjoy our cashback feature. Shop with over 76,000 retailers, including Temu, Macy's, and Walmart, with just a simple click. Whether you're browsing eBay or purchasing your favorite products on Sephora, you earn cashback on every purchase. Typically, it takes around 15 days for your cashback to process, but the more you shop, the faster your rewards grow. You can redeem your earnings via PayPal, gift cards, or bank transfer. Third is the price comparison feature. It automatically scans multiple stores in the background to find you the lowest prices. While you're shopping online, a convenient pop-up appears, showcasing price comparisons from different retailers so you can easily choose the best deal. It's incredibly user-friendly. No need to open dozens of tabs. Coupert does all the hard work in seconds. Coupert also automatically applies coupon codes at checkout, helping you save even more. Start saving money today and make sure you're not paying full price in 2025. Smarter shopping is just a click away.